Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Turbo. Wanted to do an update on this again. I've covered Turbo quite often for the last couple of weeks actually. I mean basically since the 25th of October. Turbo hasn't been that interesting anymore. It turned interesting again on Wednesday when we obviously got that Coinbase listing and then we got that continued bullish momentum over the course of the last couple of days. Especially yesterday morning into yesterday evening as well. For Turbo at least, Turbo was also most bullish yesterday morning. Earlier today, we actually saw some bullish momentum come back. But right now we're dumping, right, in the last 2 hours or so. But wanted to give you my full thoughts on Turbo here. What's going on? Can we actually continue this bullish momentum, yes or no? So let's get right into it. Ultimately, what I wanted to check out, because I actually don't know that well, I'm not sure if this is a major bearish divergence or not, because that obviously would not be great, but let's confirm it first. No, not a bearish divergence here, but in general, what you see is that Turbo has been quite bullish. We broke above this important key level here at 0.85 cents. And then the main kind of area that we were consolidating in for the majority of the time from the end of November or the end of October until the end of November was this area right here, which the bottom we can have a different opinion on. Some would say the bottom is right here at like 0.75 cents, around that level. Some would say the bottom was right here at 0.85 cents and we just dropped down below that and deviated from the range. What we can agree on is that the most important resistance level was this resistance level right here, around 1 cent. Big psychological level. You can also see the value area high is there, so a ton of volume was transacted in that area during the consolidation phase, which makes it very strong as well. So for now, when we're looking at Turbo, this looks good, all right? Every rally that Turbo has started in the past always started with this big bullish move, all right? So I'm not too worried about this being a very parabolic move, because it is. I mean, in a matter of 1 day, we had a candle of, from bottom to top, candle of 30%. That's a lot. But right now, the big question is, so I think this can turn into a big uptrend here, but the big question right now for Turbo is very, very easy, and that is, it looks like we're dropping down into the support level at 1 cent. Bitcoin dominance is going up a bit here. Meme coins are suffering earlier this morning. If that changes, then we're good. But at the moment, that's the market, all right? And then Turbo is also losing some momentum here. And just in general, Turbo is known for having some pretty deep pullbacks. So what's going to happen now is that we'll drop down into the support level. And what we have to do, like, we can spike down as low as we want. If we spike down to 0.95, if we spike down to 0.9 cents, that's fine. We just need to be able to hold that level on the 12-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, on those higher time frames. And if we're able to do that, then this is a real bullish breakout, and we might have to consolidate on top of this level for a bit longer, but then ultimately we are going up for new highs, where the first price target would probably be the previous high at 1.25 cents, psychological level as well, but ultimately we would be aiming for 1.45 and 1.5 cents. That all depends on if we're able on the higher time frames, all right, so spikes down, fine, maybe even better to get some leverage out of the price. Spike down is fine. We need to hold 1 cent. All right. Now, obviously, you click this video. You want to know what I think. I think we'll be able to hold it. All right. I think in general, meme coins do have some room here to get stronger for longer as well, right? Because some people are calling this like a weekend pump, and that it will all drop down in over the next week, beginning of next week. I think for now, it's most likely we'll be able to find support there, hold it, and then eventually rally back up once we actually gain some new momentum. But I'll keep you updated on that, all right? Personally, I hold Turbo spot from lower, so I don't really care about the short-term price movement. It is, I'm not sure whether I would say buy Turbo at 1 cent, all right? I think it's most likely it will hold, but in the end, market circumstances right now, not ideal. So be careful, all right? I think it's most likely Turbo will hold and be bullish again, but it's not a 100% guaranteed thing. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know on Turbo right now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.